today's quick win is super simple and super quick, so you can use it right away with your students. If you don't already show your students how they can just jazz up, or not even jazz up, but just make their endings of their pieces a little more exciting, then this is a really simple way to do it. And adding an intro or an ending to a piece of music is one of the simplest ways to get creative, even if you're not 100% comfortable with the whole idea of making things up and composing on the piano. But what I tell students is that there's, as pianists, we all have little flourishes and things that we can do on the piano. So for example, before playing Happy Birthday, you might do a big G7 arpeggio. You get the idea. Now we just know that that is something that we can do to prepare an audience to sing something. In the same way, many of us will know that we can be twinkly on the piano at the end of a piece and finish it off in a beautiful way, but students don't automatically know that. So here's how you can show them what to do. So let's say they're in the key of C major and they finish their piece, and that's how the piece finishes. It just stops like that. Why not show them how they could do a little figuration, a little arpeggio almost, to finish off the piece? And they can, it automatically, it sounds great, they look kind of cool doing it. Imagine if they were playing it as an assembly and they finish not just with, but with, like this. It just sounds amazing, right? So we can show them how to do that. It's very, very easy. All I'm doing is playing the notes of a C9 chord. So whatever the ending chord is, just add a ninth to it. And students could play this. So I've got a student who, this is a bit big of a stretch for his hand. So he could do this, or he could just do this in more root position. It doesn't have to be in time particularly. It can be kind of lazy. Maybe you're just finishing on the C. But that is just such an easy way to get students to sound really, really cool and to be a little bit creative at the end of their piece. So there you go, try it out with your students. So pick the final chord, add a ninth and arpeggiate it up the piano. Let me know what you think. Hey, just before you go, make sure you click here to subscribe, and we've got thousands of other videos all on the topic of music education and teaching, so make sure you check out some of those other ones here, and I'll see you in the next video.